Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this adjustable current car battery from the manufacturer to do a review. It has 10 different operating modes and it can be used for 12 volt up to 24 volt batteries. So let's open it up, look at its features, and give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. It has the manual and the charger. Okay, if we look closer at the user manual, this charger can be used for lithium batteries, absorbed glass matte batteries, gel batteries, sealed lead acid batteries, and cadmium wet batteries. And if you look inside the manual, you'll see the 10 stages listed there from diagnosis all the way to the charge and recharge process. And these are the 10 modes that I mentioned earlier of the top batteries it can be used for. If we take a closer look at the charger, you have the various modes selected. Like in my case, I'm going to be using the car. So you'll just keep pressing the mode button until you see the car uh, or whatever mode you're using. If it's a boat or a motorcycle, etc. It goes from 0.5 amps up to 15 amps. And then this applies the start or activation. You have a ventilation on the sides. Then on the back, you have the AC plug. So in order for this to work, it has to be plugged into an electrical outlet. Then you have the negative and positive terminal clamps that you connect to the positive or red of the battery and black of the battery. When you do that and turn it on, it'll give the diagnosis of the battery. If it needs charged or if its current is okay or not okay. So let's get it connected. Okay, I've got the positive connected to the battery, and we'll go ahead and plug it into the AC. You can see the lights come on. I'll put it in the car mode, which is over here. Car mode. I'll go ahead and connect the negative. It's going to start analyzing the battery here. You can see that on the display. 12.9 volts, 3.8 amps. So you can see the volts going up and the amps going up. And you can leave it here and indefinitely, and it'll keep a maintenance charge on the batteries. Then if you needed to charge the battery, you would just press this. Then if the battery needed charging, you would just press this AFMS button to charge it. So I don't know if you can see it, but here, this is the charger inside temperature in Fahrenheit, the charger voltage on the left-hand side. 13.8 is the voltage of the charge. And then at the very top, you can see a bar indicating that it's fully charged. So let's give it a start. So when you're through with it, just disconnect the AC power, both the negative and positive terminals. And on the back, you have a place to where you can actually organize and roll up your cables. So this is a very effective battery charger. You can't really mess it up. Once you determine what mode that you want to put it in, you just connect the AC outlet and the two negative and positive uh, battery post clamps, and then it'll do the analysis for you. Then if it needs charging, you'll just press this button here at the top. So easy to use, easy to keep your batteries in maintenance and good operating condition. So I highly recommend this portable battery charger.